I found a hack that makes studying so addictive it feels unfair, and it takes less than 5 minutes to implement. It's called dopamine loading, and by the end of this video, you'll learn how to use it to ace your studies while still having time for the things you love to do. First, here's the typical morning scenario, which I call the dopamine disaster. Why? Because you grab your phone before your eyes are even fully open. Scroll, 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 and boom, your brain just got hit with a massive dopamine spike. Then you try to study, and suddenly it feels like torture. How come? Because studying is a low dopamine activity compared to the digital fireworks you just fed your brain. It's like trying to enjoy a regular meal after eating sweets all morning. Everything tastes bland. Your brain is literally in withdrawal, and that's why focus feels impossible. Dopamine loading flips this scenario, and it's backed by science. Researchers found that dopamine doesn't just make us feel good, it drives our willingness to work for rewards. When your dopamine baseline is stable and high, your brain sees effort as worth it. But when you spike it early with phones and junk, you crash hard, and suddenly studying feels like the worst thing in the world. So here's the hack. Instead of blowing your dopamine load first thing in the morning, you save it. You delay all the fun, stimulating stuff until after you've done the hard work. I know it sounds impossible, but this is the secret that separates students who crush exams in half the time from those who study for hours and still forget everything. So when you wake up, don't grab your phone. Even better, put it away from your bed, across the room, or in an entirely different room. I'm serious. No YouTube, no Instagram, no TikTok. Instead, keep your morning low-key. Take a shower, brush your teeth, get some sunlight. These are all low dopamine activities, which means your brain stays calm and ready to focus. You're basically keeping your dopamine tank full for the work ahead. Then, you front-load your hardest tasks. Tackle your most difficult subjects first thing in the morning. Why? Because your brain is fresh, your dopamine baseline hasn't been hijacked, and science shows that your cortisol levels naturally peak about 30 to 45 minutes after waking, which primes your brain for challenges. You're literally biologically designed to do hard things in the morning, so use it. During your study blocks, keep the dopamine spikes away. That means no social media breaks, no YouTube rabbit holes, and here's a pro tip. Eat a low-carb lunch. High-carb meals cause energy crashes and mess with your dopamine levels, making that afternoon slump even worse. So keep it clean, keep it light, and keep your focus sharp. The best part? Once you've crushed your work for the day, you get to load up on dopamine guilt-free. This is where the magic happens. Save your favorite show, your favorite gaming session, that high-carb meal you've been craving, all of it for the evening. Your brain will actually start looking forward to this reward, and that anticipation makes the hard work earlier in the day way more bearable. It's training your brain to love productivity because it knows the payoff is coming. Here's what you can expect with this strategy. Better grades in less time because your focus during your study blocks is insane. Less procrastination because you're not fighting dopamine crashes all day. And a more enjoyable life because when you're relaxing, you're actually relaxing. No guilt, no unfinished work haunting you, just pure earned enjoyment. I'm not saying this is easy at first. In fact, your brain is going to throw a tantrum when you don't give it that morning phone hit. Still, here's the truth. You don't need more motivation, you need better dopamine management. Structure your day so that work comes first and fun comes later. Your dopamine system will adapt, and before you know it, studying won't feel like dragging yourself through mud. It'll feel doable, even satisfying, and addicting because your brain is finally working with you, not against you. So if you've got exams coming up and you're tired of feeling scattered and unproductive, try dopamine loading for just 1 week. Start tomorrow, no phone in the morning, hard work first, and rewards at night. It'll feel like you've unlocked the cheat code. Now go crush your studies and enjoy your life to the fullest.